Zacks Rank Buys, stocks with a short-term buy or strong buy recommendation. Now, here are more Zacks Rank Buys. A retailer and a financial exchange are just a couple of the growth and income stock picks that Todd Bunton, our growth and income stock strategist here at Zacks.com, wants you to know about. He wants you to know about them so bad that he's here to talk about them.
That's right.
As a matter of fact, that retailer is Nordstrom, JWN, the ticker symbol. Where's the growth? Where's the income here?
Yeah, this one's an interesting story. They're an upscale retailer, so they have about over 100 Nordstrom stores in 29 states across America. But the high-end, the affluent consumer has really been going out in droves. You could think of other companies, Tiffany's, Coach. They've all been reporting incredible sales figures, and Nordstrom's no exception. I actually brought a graph with me. I plotted their same-store sales growth since the beginning of 2010. You can see the growth has just been phenomenal. They've had a few double-digit same-store sales growth months, but about an average of about 8% going back to 2010. Just incredible growth here. And again, that's because the high-end consumer, they're not feeling the brunt of the recession or the after effects of the recession so much as the middle income guy.
Right.
So that's been driving actually 4 consecutive positive earnings surprises, and actually management raised their guidance for the remainder of the year after the latest earnings beat. So that prompted analysts to go in and raise their estimate, send it to a Zacks number 2 ranked buy, and they're currently forecasting the growth to continue over the next couple years. Based on consensus estimates, analysts are looking for 13% earnings per share growth this year, 15% next year. So you've got a good double-digit earnings per share story here. They also have an income story. They pay a dividend that yields about 1.9%. They've been increasing that over the last 10 years at about an average annual rate of 16%. So you're getting growth, you're getting income, and you're getting it at a reasonable price. They trade at about 14 times forward earnings. That's a discount to the industry average of 17 times. So they're doing a lot of things right here.
Yeah, and then that financial exchange is the CME Group, based in Chicago. CME, the ticker symbol on this one. What's the story here? Well,
they're one of the world's largest derivatives marketplaces. So they provide a platform, mostly in electronic form. It's kind of moved to that. About 75% of their business is that, and they basically charge clearing and transaction fees for all types of institutions who want to hedge risk or make leverage speculated bets.
Right.
And they actually reported record volume in August. So as the markets, the volatility increases, that means more business for them. So it's actually a good thing. And there's been a lot of concern over the Dodd-Frank bill, the financial reform, but actually that presents some opportunities for the company here as more of these esoteric derivatives get exchanged. The government wants them on a regulated exchange like the CME Group. So that's actually provides more business for them. So they've, like I said, been delivering solid volume increases. They delivered 2 consecutive positive earnings surprises. That's prompted analysts to raise their estimates. And they're forecasting solid growth for the company over the next couple of years. 13% earnings per share growth this year, 12% next year. And you've got a good income story here as well. The company pays a dividend that yields about 2.1%. So a solid income there, and they've been steadily raising that over the last about 7-8 years. They went public in 2002, started paying a dividend in 2003. Been steadily raising that, and the valuation picture looks attractive. They're trading about 14 times forward earnings. Over their history, they trade about 22 times, so it's a significant discount to that. Could be a lot of potential upside.
And are seat prices still going up there?
What's that?
Seat prices traders pay to trade there? Membership?
I don't know.
We don't know about the membership. Yeah, they have been seeing a real escalation in seat prices, what they charge for seats to trade on the exchange.
Oh, sure, yeah.
For a while, and that had cooled a little bit, and I just wondered if it was continued again.
I'm not sure.
All right, well, something for you to look into,
there
lad. We go. In the meantime, we have other stock pick ideas for you on our homepage at Zacks.com. If you're not watching this video from the website, get over to Zacks.com. We put 4 new stock pick ideas up there for you daily in our stock pick section, one in each of the investing categories that we write about on the website. Todd's included. With Todd Bunton, I'm Terry Ruffalo.